Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Data with Ritika. In this series, we are solving different SQL questions asked in different companies. This particular question was asked in Facebook. Now, if you have been following my channel, in the last video, we have already solved this question through the except keyword. I'll link the video here so that you can check it out. Alright, now we have different ways to solve this particular question. We'll look at one of the solutions in this video. As a recap, we have two tables here, pages table and page likes table. In pages table, you have two columns, page ID and page name. In page likes, you have three columns, user ID, page ID, and liked date. Now, you want to find the IDs of the pages where they don't have any likes, right? Facebook pages that have 0 likes. All right. The first solution we saw was with the keyword except. Now in this we'll look at another keyword which is the not in. We are going to collect all the data of pages table and then we are going to subtract the data what we have in the page likes. So expectedly in page likes you have the data where user ID, where some user has already liked some page on some particular date, right? So what we are going to do is we are doing a select star from pages where we are filtering out all the page IDs which are there in page ID from page likes, right? Now I'm selecting all the page, everything from the pages where page ID, where my page ID is already in this, right? So if I do an in here, then it is going to give me all the page IDs which were liked by some user at some point, right? But if I don't want the users which are there in page likes, that is going to give me the pages which are not liked by anyone, right? So the opposite keyword of in is the not in, right? So the page IDs which are not in page likes will be the pages which are not liked by any of the users. So this is what I'm going to get here, right? I want to get the page ID. This is what I've selected here. Now once again to summarize, select page ID from pages, everything from the pages where this particular page ID is not in the pages which are already there in the likes table, right? Let's try to run the code. This is what I got. Let's submit this. All right, this is accepted. Okay, one thing I missed here was in the question it says sort it in the ascending order. So I should order it by the page ID. Okay, once it was submitted, but the result is always randomly picked, right? So here always use the order by whenever it's the ask of the question, right? Okay, this is what was about today's video. If you found it useful, please share with your group. Comment down more ways. There is one more way. That's how we can solve it, and there might be more ways. Also comment down what are the videos you would like to see on the channel. Subscribe to get closer to your dream data engineering job. Thank you so much for watching.